Hello kids, welcome to the maths class. I hope kids you have followed my last video and you have understood how to write the Roman numbers from 21 till 40. Today we are going to learn Roman numbers from 41 till 50. So the main objective of today's learning is to understand how to write the Roman numbers from 41 till 50. But first, let us revise what we have learned in our previous video. We have learned the four main symbols of Roman numbers, that is 1 as I, 5 as V, 10 as X and 50 as L. Then we have learned the rules for writing Roman numbers. First rule of repetition, where we have learned I and X can be repeated only 3 times, whereas V and L are never repeated. We have learned rule of addition, where a symbol of smaller value written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Then we have learned the rule of subtraction, where a symbol of smaller value written to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value to the greater value. Then we have learned how to write the Roman numbers from 21 till 40. Let us now learn how to write the Roman numbers from 41 till 50. Now let us see how to write Roman numbers from 41 till 50. Now we know that how to write 40. We have seen in the last video 40 means XL, that is 10 minus 50. Now what is the meaning of 41? For 41 we should know that 41 means 40 plus 1. So how do we write 40? That is X, L. And how do we write 1? That is I. Next is 42. Now for 42, 40 plus 2. Now again how do we write 40? That is X, L. And how do we write 2? That is I. Now next is 43. 43 means 40 plus 3. Now again tell me how do we write 40? That is X, L. Now how do we write 3? That is I. 43. Now next is 44. Again 44 means 40 plus 4. Now we know how to write 40, that is X, L. Now do we write I for 4? No, we know that we cannot repeat I more than 3 times. So for 4, what do we write? We write 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So over here we will write down IV. That is 1 minus 5. Now next is 45. How do we write 45? That is 40 plus 5. Now how do we write 40? That is X, L. Now how do we write 5? We know we write 5 as V. So it becomes 45. Now next is 46. 46 means 40 plus 6. Now how do we write 40? That is X, L. And what is the meaning of 6? 6 means 5 plus 1. So how do we write 5? That is V. How do we write 1? That is I. It becomes 46. Next is 47. Now 47 means 40 plus 7. Now how do we write 40 again? X L. Now what is the meaning of 7? 7 means 5 plus 2. So how do we write 5? That is V. How do we write 2? That is I. 47. Next is 48. 48 means 40 plus 8. Now how do we write 40 again? X L. Now what is the meaning of 8? 8 means 5 plus 3. So how do we write 5? That is V. And how do we write 3? That is I. Next one is 49. Now how do we write 49? That is 40 plus 9. Now again 40 we will write first. That is X L. Now how do we write 9? 9 means 10 minus 1. Now what we will do? We will write first over here I, then X. I means 1, X means 10. That means we are subtracting 1 from 10. So XLIX becomes 49. Now the last one is 50. I think it is the easiest one. We all know how do we write 50? 50 means L. So this is how we will write Roman numbers from 41 till 50. So now we have learned all the Roman numbers from 1 till 50. You must also practice and learn them. Now kids, let us start with the copy work. Kids, can you see how I have done the copy work? Now, first of all, you will draw the margin line. Then you will write the name of the topic. Then over here you will write the date on which you are doing the homework and classwork. So I have shown you how you will do on copy. See, like this, you will make 2 columns. You will write the Hindu numerals first, 1 letter in 1 box. And then in front of that you will write the Roman numerals. And also in Roman numerals, 1 symbol in 1 box. In the same way one I have done for you, in the same way you will do rest of it. Now kids, we will do some exercise related to Roman numbers. Now again in a new page, you will draw the margin line. Then you will mention the date on which you are doing the exercise. I have not written the date, but you will write the date and the classwork. Now what is the first exercise? What comes after? Means you have to plus 1 to the number, or you have to write the next number of the given number. Now see, what is the number given over here? It is written in Roman number X. Now let us try to remember what does X means. X means 10. Yes. So you can write a small 10 over here. Now we have to write what comes after 10. What comes after 10? That is 11. So we have to write 11 over here. You can write small 11 over here. Now how do we write 11? 11 means 10 plus 1. So how do we write 10? That is X. And how do we write 1? That is 1. That is I. So what comes after 10? 11. Now let us see the next one. X, X, V. Now first let us see what is this number. Now X, X. Students, X, X means 1 X means 10. 1 more X means 1 more 10. So 10 plus 10 is how much? That is 20. So that means we know that X means 20. Now what is this? We know V means 5. That means it is 25. So over here we can write down 25. Now let us see what comes after 25. After 25 it is 26. So here we can write 26 like this. Now how do we write 26? 26 means 20 plus 6. How do we write 20? That is x. X is 20. How do we write 6? 6 means 5 plus 1. So 5 is V and 1 is I. So this is 26. Now kids, you will draw a finishing line like this. Now we will start the next exercise. That is what comes before. Now what comes before means 1 less than the number. Now you will set the questions like this. Now see what is the first one? X, X. What is the meaning of X, X? X, X means 2, 10. That means 10 plus 10 is how much? 20. So write over here 20. Now we have to see what comes before 20. So what comes before 20? That is 19. So we will write 19 over here first. Now 19 means 10 plus 9. How do we write 10? That is X. Now how do we write 9? That is I, X. Now let us look at the next one. That is X, I, V. Now what does X, I, V means? This number is 14. How do we know it is 14? Because X means 10 and I, V means 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. That means we know that this number is 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. Now we have to see what comes before 14. We know that 13 comes before 14. So how do we write 13 over here? First of all we have to write 10 because 10 plus 3 is 13. So how do we write 13? First of all we will write down 10. How do we write 3? That is I. Now after that again you will draw a finishing line. Now we will start the next exercise. That is what comes between. Again you will write the heading like this. Now see what is the first one. That is V, I. Dash is there and X is there. Let us see what does VII means. Now V means we know 5. 3 times I is there, that means it is 3. So 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. That means this number is 8. Now X means, yes we all know X means 10. So we will write over here 10. Now you have to tell me what comes between 8 and 10. Now after 8 what comes? 9. Before 10 what comes? 9. That means we will write the number 9 over here. Now how do we write 9? 9 means 10 minus 1. So over here we have to write down I, X. That means 10 minus 1. Now let us see the next one. That is X. Now what does X means? 1x means 10. 3 x's are there. That means it is 30. So we will write over here 30. Now what is written over here? X, I. What does X means? That is 30. What does I means? That means 2. So 30 plus 2 is how much? 32. That means this number is 32. Now tell me what comes between 30 and 32. What comes after 30? That is 31. What comes before 32? That is 31. So over here we have to write 31. So how we will write 31? First of all we will write 30. That is X plus 1. How do we write 1? That is I. Kids, like this you have to do all the exercise in your copy. So kids, let's recall what we have learned today. First we have learned the rules of Roman numbers. So the first rule is rule of repetition. That is I and X can be repeated only 3 times, whereas V and L cannot be repeated. Next rule is rule of addition. Now see, for example, VI. What does VI means? V means 5, I means 1. So 5 plus 1 means 6. So VI means 6. That means we are adding the smaller value to the greater value. Rule 3 is rule of subtraction. For example, IX. X means 10. I means 1. Now IX means 10 minus 1. So IX is equal to 9. That means we are subtracting the smaller value to the greater value. Finally, we have learned how to write Roman numbers from 1 till 50. I hope kids you have understood how to write the Roman numbers. Now complete the pages that has been given to you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.